Welcome back. Today we are looking at one of the oldest and most well-known crowdsourcing platforms on the internet, Amazon Mechanical Turk, or MTurk. Whether you're a business owner needing thousands of images tagged, a researcher looking for survey participants, or someone trying to make a few extra bucks online, you've probably heard of it. But in today's landscape of advanced AI and specialized gig platforms, does MTurk still hold up? Let's break down its features, its biggest strengths, and its undeniable weaknesses. Let's start with how it works. MTurk is a marketplace built on a simple concept: human intelligence tasks, or HITs. These are microtasks that are easy for humans, but historically difficult for computers. Here are the standout features. First, the marketplace structure. It operates on a requester and worker dynamic. Requesters post jobs in bulk, set a price per task, and workers browse the marketplace to complete them. Second, API integration. For developers, MTurk integrates directly into business workflows. You can write a script that automatically sends data to MTurk, gets it processed by humans, and pulls it right back into your system. Third, the qualification system. Requesters aren't forced to accept just anyone. You can require workers to take a test, maintain a high approval rating, like 99% accuracy, or be located in a specific country before they can touch your tasks. And fourth, broad task variety. You'll see everything here: receipt transcription, audio transcription, sentiment analysis, academic surveys, and training data categorization for machine learning models. So why do tech giants and university researchers still rely on a platform that looks like it hasn't been updated since 2012? Number one, incredible scalability. If you have 50,000 photos that need bounding boxes drawn around traffic lights by tomorrow, MTurk can actually get that done. The sheer volume of workers available 24/7 is unmatched. Number two, cost effectiveness. Let's be candid, it is very cheap for requesters. Because it's a global microtask market, businesses can get massive data sets processed for a fraction of the cost of hiring an in-house team or a specialized BPO firm. Number three, it's developer-friendly. The AWS API integration is a massive plus. Once a requester sets up their pipeline, MTurk functions almost like a software function call, but with human output. And number four, flexibility for workers. For the people doing the tasks, there are no minimum hours, no schedules, and no interviews. You log on, work for 10 minutes or 10 hours, and log off. But MTurk is far from perfect, and it has garnered a lot of valid criticism over the years. Here is where the platform struggles. First, ethical concerns and low pay. This is the elephant in the room. Because it's a global race to the bottom, many workers end up making well below minimum wage. While some master workers with great scripts can make decent money, the average new worker often grinds for pennies per task. Second, quality control is a headache. As a requester, if you don't set up strict qualifications or insert catch questions in your surveys, you will get spammed by bots, auto-clickers, or low-effort workers rushing through for a quick payout. You have to actively manage your quality control. Third, the steep learning curve. The requester interface is clunky and archaic. Designing a good HIT layout, setting up the right HTML and CSS, and managing the API requires technical know-how. It is not plug and play for a small business owner. And lastly, zero customer support. It's an Amazon product. If a worker gets their account suspended unjustly or a requester has an issue with billing, finding an actual human to help is notoriously difficult. So what's the final verdict on Amazon Mechanical Turk? If you are a requester, a data scientist, a researcher, or a developer who understands how to set up strict quality controls and needs massive scale on a budget, MTurk remains an incredibly powerful, albeit raw, tool. If you are a worker looking to make a full-time income, you need to temper your expectations. It's a place to make beer money or pay a small bill during your downtime, but the grind is real, and the platform favors those who used browser extensions and scripts to snatch up the best-paying HITs immediately. MTurk isn't pretty and it has real structural flaws regarding worker compensation, but as a raw engine for human-powered data processing, it still runs.